Trucks are no one's friend, but everyone already knows that, so let's just start the episode. There is one truck at the back of the yard who is oh so very troublesome. He is so troublesome that he could even be the devil. Yes, the devil. One day, Percy.
Right, lads. Now there's a hospital down the end of this line. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna push and push and push.
A hospital? In the middle of nowhere around here? I doubt it. Fucking remote. But if you keep acting like this, I might just make you need it. What Percy didn't know was that the trucks were right. The rail sagged slightly. If you aren't careful... what was that noise?
Push, push, push.
Who puts a hospital in the middle of nowhere? Well, because this is a kid's show, it seems like this is the end of my journey. Oh... There are so many dead bodies, but, like, you cannot see them. Ow. Thanks, Butch.
Percy, do you have any idea how much harm you have caused?
Yes, sir. I saw inside the building, sir. But...
But what? What? Tell me how this is magically not your fault.
Sir, the truck.
Oh, don't give me that. This was a clearly preventable accident, and you know it.
Am I in... I know, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
You will stay in your shed for the rest of the day.
What? The rest of the day?
Yes, the rest of the day.
I can't do that, sir. Yes, sir.
Everyone knows you shouldn't mess with Percy. Not because he'll, mess you up or anything, but because of what happens if he's upset and can't do work.
What's up, Billy Squad? It's your boy Billy, and today I'm gonna be doing the blindfolded shunting challenge. As you all know, light trucks go first, but there's an issue. We can't see what truck's the lightest, so we have to do it based off of sound and weight. And this truck feels heavy.
Light truck sounds. Light truck sounds. I'm not heavy, and actually, I'm the brake van.
Oh, perfect. I found the brake van. Billy, is my train ready yet? Probably. Okay. I'm not gonna question it. Epic prank! I have no idea what's on this train.
What? We all miss you. Okay. How is that supposed to help? Look, you should do something. I don't know. Stretch your wheels. Just down to Gordon's Hill, then come back. I bet no one will notice you even left. Well, you're probably right. James had reached the bottom of Gordon's Hill and was starting to climb.
Hold back.
God, what's in this thing? Tungsten? Ugh!
Oh. Huh? You again? What are you doing here?
The trucks all heard a creaking sound. Nobody knew where it was coming from.
Oh, God. I knew it was gonna be me. Oh, me next, I want a turn.
No fair, you got to die just last week.
Alright, I'm gonna need to see your murdering license. Oh, my what? The license that gives you the right to commit murder? What are you talking about? There's no such thing. Alright, so we're gonna take you into the station house for questioning. Station house? Yep. I'm dead! What do you mean? Well, you're talking to me. You think I'm coming back from this? Suppose not. You haven't seen the last of me, Percy. You hear? This isn't the last of me! But I thought you said you weren't coming back from this. Oh, shut! Ow!